Hey everybody, it is Holly with West Brack Marketing, and I was asked, how do you change the background of your Zoom? So first of all, you want to log into Zoom, right? And then you'll be logged in and you want to go over here to settings, okay? And then you want to scroll down, and it is a little ways down, so just keep scrolling, kind of like the thing, just keep swimming, and you're going to go right here, see where it says virtual background, and you want to toggle that to on so it's blue and it's beautiful, and then you'll be able to do that. So then what you can do to test it out is you can actually just go host a meeting with yourself. So I'm going to do that right now so that you can see it, and you're going to open the link. And there I am, all wonderful and bright-eyed. So what you're gonna do then is you want to go down here where it says stop video and look at choose virtual background. See how it's right there? And there it is, right? So I already have some uploaded. Look at that, I am now at the ocean. So, but what you want to do is you can see how I've uploaded those. Where's my mouse? But this little, just one second. Okay, so right there where there's the little cross, you want to add the image, right? So you're going to click there and then upload an image. And honestly, this is a vacation photo from a few years ago when we went to Maine. So you can upload that, or you can say that you have a green screen if you have one. Many people don't, but you can then switch and do whatever image that you want in the background. So it's super cool. And that is kind of how you add a background. So it's just the virtual background, and then there you are. So you then can have this wonderful background rather than the background of your house, your family room, whatever. So that is how you add that screen. When you're done with your video, you just end it. Now I will caution you, when you go to do another one, it will retain that background. So if you want to change it, you have to do it right away. But that's how you do it. So helpful Holly hint for you, and hope that helps. Thanks.